Have you ever thought, I own a home, so I probably have enough life insurance? It's a question I hear more often than you might think, and the answer isn't always what people expect. I've worked with homeowners who believed they had everything covered because they had equity in their home. But when we actually looked at their situation, we realized there were still major financial gaps that could leave their family in a difficult position. One of the most common questions I get is, if I own a home, do I really need life insurance? The answer is yes, in many cases. Your home may be one of your biggest assets, but it can also be one of your biggest financial responsibilities. If your family depends on your income to make the mortgage payment, life insurance can help protect them if something unexpected happens. Another question is, can't my family just sell the house? They could, but should they have to? During a time of grief, being forced to sell the family home because of financial pressure is a situation most people would rather avoid. Life insurance can provide options instead of forcing difficult decisions. I also hear, I have insurance through work. Isn't that enough? For some people, it may provide a good starting point, but employer coverage often isn't designed to meet all of your family's long term financial needs. It may not follow you if you change jobs, retire, or lose your employment. The goal of life insurance isn't just to leave money behind, it's to help protect your family's lifestyle, give them financial stability, and provide choices when they need them most. If you're a homeowner and you're not sure whether your current coverage is enough, let's have a conversation. I work with multiple insurance companies so we can review your options and find coverage that fits your family's needs and your budget. Book a consultation today and let's make sure your family and your home are properly protected.